So there's a bus outside our door. Like, this is our terminal. There should be a plane. But there's this bus tram thing instead. On a tram.
To find our plane?
To find our plane. Hopefully. Well, I'm tarmac because
Well, it says N1 on our boarding pass.
planes.
No, that was
My boy's basket seen D26.
And
13, 14,
26, 19,
13.
19.
Was it 19?
I think it was 19.
It says we're leaving at an N1.
Which is right here
But they made us go all the way to D26. Come on.
from N19. This is so weird.
That's where we came out.
There's our plane that we just got off of. Hey, look, there's our plane that we legit just got off of. Oh, this is great.
Look, there's the moon.
Bye-bye, plane.
Not just picking on you.
Yeah, I guess to a different airport.
It's so airport.
Like, bye. There's the terminals.
There's planes.
Where the heck are we going?
We're the not allowed to fly people. Is that what this is?
It's driving us all the way back to St. Louis.
No, we're just gonna kidnap us and steering them.
That would be a lot longer. That's like 40 hours. No. That's like 20. That's probably like 20 hours.
I was like, I can get to.
With how slow this is going, though, it'd probably be like 40 hours. And we have to stand the whole time.
No bathrooms. It's gonna get real ugly real quick.
I'm just confuzzled on where our plane is. Like, where are we going?
There's a plane.
It's a random plane. It's like a parking lot for planes. They're loading us in a parking lot.
Yeah.
Oh, when they're loading us in the parking lot, we go on a plane. But how do we go on a plane?
And do we have an elevator for the wheelchairs?
It's like a weird kind of thing.
Yeah, but there's stairs.
No, thank you.
Does the ramp thing come down?
Well, it comes down on the
Found
side.
it.
Yeah, that. No, maybe. Okay.
Has a hatchback on it.
Yeah, there's 3. I see. There's long ramps, maybe?
Oh yeah, it's long way up.
Oh, this is just weird.
Now we just gotta make sure we get on the right plane.
This is so
Good
weird.
experience.
Right?
I gotta get the wheelchairs off first.
This place is so cool.
Putting them out, run over the people behind me with my bag.
Yeah, they didn't, they put too many people on this bus.
We had that setup figured out.
See you on the plane, Jeff.
See you on board.
Yeah.
Okay. 24B.
I think I'll be asking
Passenger 25 feet.
just to make sure.